When it comes time to clean your pool, what would you rather use? Most manual pool vacuums are heavy and cumbersome, with bulky hoses and tangled electrical cords. Other types of vacuums don't have the power to pick up average pool debris, let alone large leaves and twigs. And they have to be primed in order to work. Now there is a remarkable new solution, combining easy-to-use, lightweight technology with the power necessary to clean all types of dirt and debris from your pool. Meet the new Pool Blaster Max, engineered and designed by Watertech, the pool invention people. Pool Blaster Max is a hoseless, battery-powered hand vacuum that works independently of your pool's filtration system. Instead, Pool Blaster Max uses a filter bag that allows you to clean your pool quickly and efficiently. Here's how it works. Simply attach your pool blaster to a telescopic pole, turn the knob to on, and place it in your pool. Any telescopic pole will fit. You can even put it in by hand to easily clean stairs and swimouts. It's then simple to maneuver your pool blaster around any size or shape pool. The Pool Blaster will quickly clean in-ground, above-ground pools and spas, picking up debris, leaves, pine needles, sand, and dirt from your pool. In the time it takes for you to set up one of the other vacuums, you can be done cleaning your pool with the Pool Blaster Max. You can even remove the vacuum head for powerful, quick spot cleaning. And when you're finished, simply plug in the advanced rechargeable battery and the Pool Blaster Max is ready to be used again. The Pool Blaster is revolutionary in its compact, lightweight design, yet it's powerful enough to remove such debris as leaves, sand, and dirt effortlessly. Its patented high-flow rate technology makes it one of the most powerful pool cleaners available. At a mere 6.5 pounds, you'll love the lightweight yet powerful design of the unit, which will keep your pool sparkling clean all season long. The Pool Blaster Max is revolutionary in its design. It contains a patented flexible vacuum head that hugs to the surface of your pool, making no area out of reach. It's also durable and made to last with few moving parts. The exterior is both UV and chemical resistant to help keep your pool blaster looking and working as good as the day you bought it. The Pool Blaster is an innovation in engineering. This pool vacuum is run on an 8.4 volt rechargeable battery. It has no power cable to tangle and cause a mess. And it's safer than most other vacuums, which can use as much as 115 volts of electricity. One charge of the battery will last up to a full hour, allowing you to clean your pool of dirt and debris without the hassle of messy hoses or cords. The Pool Blaster Max contains its own large reusable filter bag. You can even order a fine filter bag to remove even smaller particles from your water. The bag is also completely visible from the outside of the unit, so you can see when it's time to clean it. By cleaning your water with a Pool Blaster Max, you'll swim in a healthier pool environment that is safer for you and your family. The Pool Blaster will save you money. By keeping the vacuum separate from your main filter, you'll find backwashing rates reduced, saving you the expense of wasted water you've treated with chemicals. You also won't be adding harmful chemically treated water into the environment. And you'll save on your heating bills by not wasting heated water on your backwashing. Every design detail of the Pool Blaster Max has been carefully planned to make this cleaner the best for you and your family. It even has a hole in the back for wall storage. You can hang the Pool Blaster neatly against your wall. The Pool Blaster Max will work on any pool surface. It comes complete with wheels for gunite pools, as well as brushes for vinyl and fiberglass pools. You'll find keeping your pool clean simple and quick to do. Now there is a vacuum, both lightweight and powerful enough to clean your entire pool. The Pool Blaster Max saves you money and time, and couldn't be more effortless to use. Keep your pool healthy and clean with the remarkable new Pool Blaster Max.